What's up, people? How are you? How are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for the new subscribers. Nawapenda sana, and thank you so much for tuning in. On today's video, I want to tag you with me as we go to celebrate my small sister's birthday. Huwa tuna celebrate the same kwa sababu mimi ni wa 10 mwezi wa saba, the same case na yeye, so I had to go, we celebrate together. Watch till the end.
Sasha, pamoja. Sophie was born in. Sophie, can you tell them we are born in May? She was born in May date 9. So that's where you see Sophie is turning 11 years. Ama she turned 11 years. Then Sasha turned 8 years. So today we have come to celebrate the birthdays of Sophie and Sasha. Sophie and Sasha. We are going to answer out of the cake. Sophie and Sasha. Tupigieni makofi.
So guys, here it was dancing moments. Time to celebrate our small sis Sophie and Sasha. Also me, even though I wasn't mentioned there. Yes, stay tuned. Remember to subscribe this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, tell me what you want to see next on my next video.
Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started.
So guys, now it's cake cutting, and the one cutting the cake are Sophie and Sasha, and the small girl is the last born, who is Grace. Nawapenda sana. So guys, I'm very sorry that I lost my footage on where we were gifting all these best friends for Sophie, Sasha and Grace. So those are their parents. Thank you so much for watching my today's video. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.